Today's video is going to be using the color fix. I've used this before. It's really important that you follow directions to a T, otherwise it will dry out your hair and not be good. So we're gonna follow directions today and let's jump right into this. The instructions are on the inside of the box. You're gonna wanna mix equal parts of 1 and 2. This has about 6 to 16 applications in it. I'm only going to be using it on a front chunk of my hair. You don't want to mix it and let it sit around. You want to use it as soon as possible. So as soon as you mix it, you want to use it. So before I even mix it, you could see my natural color coming in. I am going to just section this out because like I said, I'm only going to do the front part. Okay, it's like a gel. All right, I'm gonna have to eyeball the mixture here. If you have a scale, I would weigh this. I have a scale, but I'm in too deep already. It has a little bit of a smell, like a perm smell almost, but not so bad. My hair was colored with red color, which faded to this brownish red color. Red is one of the hardest colors to get out of the hair. It's also one of the hardest colors to keep in the hair, meaning maintain it. It's a lot of maintenance. I washed my hair last night, and when I came out of the shower, I did not put any product in it whatsoever because I wanted to make sure that my hair was like squeaky clean. I did use conditioner last night, but we'll see how that goes. And then there is step 3, which is the processing lotion. And a lot of people opt not to do this one. I've seen that on reviews. But because we're using chemicals, step 3 is important and you want to make sure that you do use it because I'm going to color my hair after this and I don't want my hair to not color correctly because I didn't fully get this color out of my hair. And the only way to know if I fully did that is to use step 3. So that's what the processing lotion is for. So after 20 minutes is up, I'm going to rinse my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes and then I'm going to shampoo it twice. So my big thing is not wanting to waste the product on the rest of my hair, but it's okay if it does sit on it. I just don't want to waste putting the product on it because I don't want to have to buy another one of these. It's itchy. It's itching my head a bit. Okay. Been 20 minutes. I'm gonna jump in the shower. I don't see that big of a difference between this and this, but I'm gonna jump in the shower and we'll see how it is when I come out. Here it is wet. It definitely made a difference. It took the edge off. It's no longer like a true red brown. It's more of an orange, which I appreciate. Like I said earlier in the video, because this is a chemical thing that we're doing on our hair, I did want to do step 3, but to be honest, I could have went right back in with step 1 and 2 because it wasn't as light as I had wanted it, but I am pretty impatient. So this is after the processing solution was applied and then rinsed out. And now I'm sectioning out again because I'm going to go in and bleach it so that I can do my next color. Like and subscribe if you want to see the next color. Yay!